Good morning, children. First of all, I want to congratulate you all that you have upgraded to 5th class. So we have changed our syllabus. So now we have CBSE syllabus. This is our Max CBSE syllabus. So this is our Max textbook, 5th class Max textbook. You can see clearly. So our first chapter is let us review. Let us review the topics which we are revised in the previous class. So let us review the topics which we are going to revise in this class. In this chapter, the topics are place values. So here we have introduced the place values in two types, that is Indian system and international system. Now based on this Indian system and international system, number names, expanded form, standard form, based on this only addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the next topic is LCM. LCM is the new topic which we did not done in the previous class, and HCF is also new topic, and the fractions is also new topic, just we have introduction in the previous class. So in this we have depth, in this also fractions also we have addition, subtraction, multiplication. So the next is units of measurements, already we have done in the previous class, just introduction. Areas also only perimeter we have done in the previous class, now we have introduced with area and the type. These are the topics we have to cover in the let us review chapter. So let us go through all these topics. Okay, so place value chart, Indian system. So this is a new topic. In previous class we didn't introduce about this Indian system, just we have introduced that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, only place values, you know. This is the new topic, that is Indian system. In Indian system, the place value chart is ones, in ones, hundreds, tens, ones, and next place is thousands, thousand, 10,000, and lakhs is, the next place value is lakhs, 10 lakhs, and the next place value is crores, tens crores. So always in the place value chart we have to remind that always we'll read the place value chart from, we'll start from left to right. When reading we have to move from left to right only, but when we are writing the numbers we have to start from right to left. So let us take one example. Did you understand? In ones, under ones you can see 100, tens, ones. Here 0 means ones, O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds. In thousands place you can see two values, that is thousands and 10,000. In lakhs place you can see the two values, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. In crore place you can see the two values, that is crore and 10 crores. Now let us see, take one digit, let us take one example and arrange the example under the place value. Now my number is 4, 3, 6, 8, 9. This is my number. So I will arrange these numbers. When we are arranging the numbers, first we should start from ones place. So we have to start with ones place. Now what is the last digit here? 5. So we have to arrange 5 here. Always remember that when arranging, when we are writing in the place value chart, first we should start from right to left. First we should start writing from ones place. 5. The next number is 9, 8, 6, 3, 4. So the number, the example which we have taken, we have arranged under the place value. Now let us see the 5 is in ones place, and T is in 9 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place, 3 is in 10,000s place, 4 is in lakhs place. So I have arranged the numbers, but we don't know how to read the number. Now let us read the number, how to read. 4 is in lakhs place, so we have to 4 lakhs. So we have to read how to these place values. One thing you remember that the place value chart help us to how to read the large digits. If you have any, the large digits, if you don't know how to read, so we have to take the place value chart, we have to arrange the numbers under the place value chart. It will be very easy to you read the large digits. So now I am reading the number which I has taken. The number, the 4 is in lakhs place. So 4 LAKH, 4 lakh. 3 is in 1000, 10,000s place. So when 3 is in 10,000s place, when the number is in tens place, we call it 9. For suppose here 9 is in tens place. So the number is changed to 90. So here also same, 3 is in 10,000s place. The number is 30. Here not it is 3. So the number changed to 30. Why? Because the number is in 10,000s place. So the number will become 30. So 30,000. We have to read it as 30,000, and here 6 is there. So total both the values are in thousands place. So we can combine these both the numbers. So the value of these number is 36. So 36,000. 36,000, 4 lakh, 36,000. So this comes under one place. So 895. 8 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. So the value is 895. So these place value chart help us to how to read the large digits. So here 4,36,895 is the value. So here this is crore place, this is lakhs place, this is thousands place, and this is ones place. So after 4 see only the 4, the number, the digit 4 is there in lakhs place. So after 4 lakhs 36,895. So where we have to put the comma? See here. After 4 is in lakhs place. So we have here we have to put 1 comma. 36 both are in ones place. 36,000. After that we have comma here and full stop. So here 4 lakh 36,895 is the value. Let us take some more example. Second example. Let us arrange these number according to the place value. Always we have to start from right. Here 0, we have to arrange 0 in ones place. The next number is 9. We have to arrange here 9. The next number is 6. We have to arrange the 6. The next number is 8. We have to arrange here 8. The next number is 3. We have to arrange here 3. And the next number is 4. We have to arrange here 4. The next number is 6. We have to arrange here 6. The next number is 3. Now see here, the number which we have taken, we have arranged under the place value. Now let us read the number, how to read this number. See here, 3 is in 0 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, so 90, 6 is in hundreds place, so 600. Here 8 is in thousands place, 8,000, and 3 is in 10,000s place, so value is here 38,000. And 4 is in lakhs place. So here 6 is also in lakhs place, total 64 lakh, and here only 3 is in crores place. So how to read this number? Let us see. 3 crore, both 6 and 4 is in lakhs place. So here 64 lakh So 3 and 8 are in thousands place. So here 38 and 6 9 are in ones place. So 690. So we have to read the value 3 crore 64 lakh 38,000 690. So the value is 3 crore 64 lakh 38,690. So how we have to divide these numbers? See here, 3 crore 64 38,600. So where we have to put commas after 3 crore 64 lakh 38,690. So you have to divide the numbers according to these place values. After 3 we have to put comma. So here 3 crore. After 3 crore we have to put comma, and 64 lakh after 64 lakh we have to put comma. 38,000 after 1000 we have to put comma, and 690 is the value. Now take some more examples of your own based on this place value. Draw this place value chart in your notes, and you take some more examples and arrange the numbers according to under the place value chart, and read the place value comparing this chart.